Hello, my name is Dawn Boxall, and I have been a bariatric dietitian for over 20 years. I've been fortunate to work with tens of thousands of weight loss surgery patients over the course of my career, many of which who have struggled with regain, weight loss stalls, and just struggling to get back on track. So that's what prompted me to put together this 30-day Back on Track program so you can have all the information you need in one place so that you can get the knowledge you need to move forward and lose weight, get your energy back, and just get back on track to where you know you should be. So we put together a guide, a printed guide that will be shipped to your door. So you'll have access to this by registering for this class. And in the guide has all the meal plans, the shopping list, and the recipes that you need for the whole 30 days. We also include other material that will improve your experience because we work on utilizing tools that will help you make change permanent. Things like a readiness to change questionnaire so you can evaluate how truly ready you are to change. Then also we talk about the importance of a food journal. We also utilize a thought record to help you find kind of those weak links that are maybe contributing you to getting off track. Then we also have, as additional information and resources, is a dining out guide. We actually build into the 30 days a few times that you go out to eat, and then we give you a guide to use so that you know how to do it and feel confident in your choices. Then we also have a dessert section, and it's all weight loss surgery friendly and a great option to utilize so that you're not getting any added sugars, but you're also helping build it into your normal life so you never feel like you have to have real sugar. So it gives you those options so that you can stay on track long term. We also cover the portion control, which is super important to understand really how much are you supposed to eat after weight loss surgery, and how much are you supposed to eat when you're trying to get back on track. So we cover that information in the book. Then we also offer a food substitution list, so if you don't like some of the foods that are offered, that you have alternatives to choose instead. So it's all put together so that you can help yourself get back on track. And if you want to do our full course, with the guide also comes our online course that we cover relevant topics that are contributors to why people regain weight and why they get off track. So it really helps kind of give you the full circle, the whole body. We're paying attention to the whole body when we're doing this program. So we're covering things like food as information, exercise, sleep, stress, self-confidence. All those areas are sometimes the reason why you're off track. So if you join before our deadline, you will also get a $20 discount that will be able to be utilized in our Gastric Health Club store. We have products in there that are beneficial to the 30-day program that can help kind of maximize your results. So things like our detox protein powder that we use and our weight loss surgery formulated probiotic, both of those products are highly recommended during the 30-day class. So instead of spending $99 on the products, you'll only spend $79 because you'll get the $20 discount. So it's a great value that we're offering and giving you a bonus back by signing up before the deadline. So at a little advantage if you do sign up quickly. And we also want you to understand that there are many bariatric professionals that put together programs that are thousands of dollars. And we really believe that we want this information to be affordable to anyone. And we want you to have access to this information because no one goes through weight loss surgery hoping to gain all their weight back. And we get it, but you need to understand how to help yourself. And that's why we put it together so that you would have those resources at a reasonable price that makes sense for pretty much anybody. So hopefully you'll join us before the deadline to get the full benefits of that additional $20 discount in our Gastric Health Club store. Then if you do the online course and take the weekly quizzes, you'll as long as you hit the point value that you have to hit, your name will be in a drawing for a Vitamix blender. This is a high-end blender that is awesome and a great a machine to have in your house. So one lucky winner is going to win a Vitamix blender at the end of the 30 days. So it might as well be you. So you just taking the quizzes and hitting that point value will allow you to get in that drawing. Then we also have our Gastric Health Club community. So that is our closed Facebook group where we interact with all the 30-day Back on Track class participants, and this is where we carry on weekly giveaways and where we have conversations and where you ask questions. So you have that available to you where you have an interaction with other participants, and it's just a good community where you can interact and feel like you're a part of something. So click on the link above and join us before the deadline, and we would love to have you join us on this next 30-day Back on Track class. See you soon. Bye-bye.